All right, guys, so here you have it. We have some Johnsonville original brats. We're gonna wrap them in bacon. What more can we ask for, right? So let's go ahead and get into this. So here you have your brats. And we're gonna wrap them. Just like that. Real nice and easy, simple. Like that. Let's go ahead and do one more. We're gonna do these 3 and we'll be right back. All right, so there you have it. We have 5 bacon wrap brats. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some rub on top of these bad boys to give them that little bit of extra flavor. All over these brats. All right, so the question is, how are we gonna cook these bad boys? We're gonna put the pit boss at 250 degrees. All right, the internal temp that we're going by these to be done is about 160, 165. Now, when they're getting close to almost done, I would say when we temp these about 150, we're gonna raise the temperature to 300. That way the bacon can get a little bit more crispy. And that way I think it'll be perfect. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 250 degrees. We'll be back when they hit 150 internal. All right, it's been 40 minutes. Let's check on how they're looking. They're looking good. Let's give them a quick temp. See where we're at. 154. So now we're gonna bump it to 300 degrees to get that bacon going. We'll be back. All right, it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes, and these are ready to come out. They're looking great. Look at that. All right, we'll be back. All right, now we're back, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna grab this one right here. This one is calling my name. Let's add a little bit of mayo. I love mayo on hot dogs. I'm sorry, but some people may not like it. I love it. Now, I could do what some people do on the internet and just make a whole mess trying to put the condiments, but it's pointless. Let's just keep it nice and neat. I don't need to make a mess. So here you have it. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That is so good. This is an easy 10 out of 10. You guys haven't tried it, try it. It won't, you guys will not be disappointed. This is, wow. This is really good. You like brats, you like bacon, put them together. Make sure to hit that like, hit the subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this. And like I said, we're pumping these videos out. I'll see you guys next time.